Hey everyone, I landed safely in Japan and I'm now living in Nara, a big city lost in the countryside, not too far from Osaka and Kyoto, a very touristic city, although there are very few foreigners living in here, and going to the city hall with absolutely no explanation in English has been quite fun. Thankfully, there was a kind Japanese guy to help me, a really warm guy who's getting into game development as well and who's probably going to move from Unity to Godot. So I already got back to work, replied to messages, got a spot in a co-working space, went to Osaka to buy a new camera. I'm still getting tired pretty quickly every day. Things like going to the supermarket because there's so many Chinese characters to read. So until the end of the month, you can still expect me to work a bit slowly, but there will be a course update. And along with this video, you will find a new tutorial, a real free tutorial for the channel, because it's been a little while since I did that. Now, I've got a question for you. Would you like me this year to make a video or two about living in Japan, moving to Japan, game developers and independent workers? Could talk about the advantages, the drawbacks, how it's like living in here. And would you like a video or two about game developers in Japan? I will likely go to the Bit Summit, an event about Japanese indie game developers. There's also the author of Voxatron and Pico 8, who lives in Tokyo. I think he owns a cafe and he organizes monthly meetups for creators, comic book artists, game developers, etc. He seemed very efficient when it came to creating tools. He's probably got good tips to share. Please tell me in the comment. Now you can click on the screen, see in the video description to find the camera tutorial. And that's it. Be creative, have fun. See you in the next one. Bye.